1,000-mile service was completed and ready to go, except that I was planning to ride the bike for like a year fully stock before I started messing with things, but there's just certain things that were limiting my enjoyment. So today I'm going to be unboxing new slip-ons, and it's supposed to arrive today but actually arrived yesterday. The unboxing and installing of the slip-on. So these are the
4-inch Chrome Werks slip-ons.
Um,
They are 2 inches in diameter perforated pipe that provides a warm tone, deep, without being too loud.
muffler, half-inch socket seems to fit pretty good, but then the bolt that holds the exhaust clamp forward position, I thought it would be like a 9/16 or a little larger than that, but I found that the 15 millimeter fits a lot tighter. So that always drives me crazy when there's a mix of systems where we have SAE and metric. I love metric, but I've had to acquire a full set of SAE tools when I got my Road King. And then I'm finding with the newer models, there's a lot more mix of metric hardware on there. I'll be glad when it changes all the way over to metric. That way I only have to maintain one set of tools. All right, I'll keep going here. Okay, I had a heck of a time getting the right side on. Everything just seems to be a little tighter on the right side. It made it really challenging. Finally had to break down and use some penetrating oil to get the muffler back on. Okay, I think that's pretty straight. This one in, and
I really like how the fitment and alignment turned out. The tip is an extension of the saddlebag. Let's hear what it sounds like.